Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, we are having 8 eggs, 8 potatoes, and some shrimp on covered all in butter. And onions, of course. I used white onions and red onions mixed together with the butter. And obviously, you guys should know this. I love the onions with the butter. The more onion, the better taste. That's what I would say. For those of you that are new to my channel, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, the bell notification bell. Oh, sorry, it's too early. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification to be notified when the bell is, oh my God, when a new video is uploaded. It is early, you guys, don't come at me. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with everybody you know. And I hope you guys like this video. Well, let's get into this. Mm. Mm-mm. Oh, yes. Mm-hmm. Mm. How's everybody doing? I'm doing great. Been missing you guys every second of the day. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. This butter sauce is real good. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. These are the only tiny shrimps I found. I wanted to get those colossal ones at least, and I couldn't. It's like every time I try to go grocery shopping, it's empty. Everything's empty, the aisles. It's just crazy. Get some of this. This. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. I just want a bite. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. You guys already know I drink ice water. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. It's hot. Mm. You guys notice something different for me? Well, kind of. I had cut my hair real short, like a guy, you know, like short. And I couldn't be able to grab my hair in a ponytail. Well, I got like maybe half of my hair. It's getting there. I'm trying here. I'm trying to get my hair off my face. Mm. Mm. Look at that, you guys. Want a bite? I don't know if you guys can see that. Hold on. Let me see if I can. Look at that. Yes. Mm-mm-mm. Wish you guys were here so you guys can taste it. It has some amazing taste. I mean, all the seasons that I gathered just to do the butter sauce. All that onion, I'm telling you, that onion gives it a lot of taste. It takes it to a whole new level. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. I hope everybody's being safe out there. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Another potato. I didn't think it was gonna come out spicy, but I can feel it in my throat. I'll try not to do it spicy because then you're gonna have me coughing here. It just always goes in through the wrong pipe. So, I guess I just went crazy. Mm-mm-mm. The potatoes just cooked right. Oh my God, yes. Telling you. And if I slurp on this, it's gonna get worse. So I'm gonna try not to. Mm-mm. Oh God. That's how you know it's spicy. Jesus. Mm-mm. 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 See that? Mm. The onions, you guys. Mm. It's hot. Whew, Jesus. I just burned my tongue. Mm-mm. So good though. Oh, yes. Look at this. Yeah. Mm-mm-mm. 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 Mm-mm. Just can't go wrong with this. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. 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 Mm. I'm sorry, guys, if I'm not talking as much. It's just I'm so hungry. And this is so good. Mm. 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 Trying to get some onions up in here on top of my egg. Mm. Yes. Look at this. Mm. 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 Oh, oh, it's falling off. No, no, don't fall off. Come on now. No, 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 no. Mm. 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 Don't mind me right now. Mm. 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 Love, I just love the eggs. And I think you guys know that by now because most of my videos is about eggs. And, well, of course, mussels. Mm. It's just so good. Oh. Look at that. Mm. 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 This right here is going to be a short video, you guys. Mm-mm. Mm. I ate most of the eggs. I only have one egg, 4 potatoes, and some shrimp flying, well, not flying, but floating in my butter. I'm already full. So good. I had squeezed a lime, not a lemon, a lime into this butter, and oh my god. I think that's what makes it so good as well, with the onions, the butter, and the seasonings. That one lime, it's the first time I do that on this, I think. I think that's the first time. I think I've squeezed lemon, but not lime. Excuse me. And this is good. I ain't gonna lie. It's like the lime is in all the butter. It's like all that flavor in there. And now I'm talking about those big ass limes. I squeezed it all in there. So good. Excuse me. I'm sorry, you guys, for cutting it short. It's just that for some reason I'm full, and it's the first thing I eat today, you know. Shouldn't be this full, but I am, and because of it, I'm gonna have to end this video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every single one of you that watch my videos. Thank you guys for your support, your love that you guys are showing me. And I'll see you guys on my next video. I love you guys. Goodbye.